Special.
Welcome back home. Yes, thank you very much.
Well, first of all, His Excellency Jonah is one of the leaders of our party in this country, and in particular in Plateau State. Of course, one of the reasons why I came is to see how we can bring unity in our party, PDP Plateau State, between two of our leaders, Jeremiah Osedi and Jonah Jang. Luckily, today we had a court matter, which I think, for me, is one of those things you see after the service. So, fatherland, and as a mark of solidarity, to give him courage, to reassure him that we are behind him as far as this matter is concerned. We'll stand solidly with him. We'll do all we can within the ambit of the law to give him the support. And so we said, okay, let us come in and show solidarity with him before we will go and address the party and talk to them and also see General Osedi. So some total this, by coming here today, is to bring unity in our party between the two leaders. That is the basic reason. And luckily for us, this matter is also taking place, and we have to show that solidarity.
Okay, sir, does this visit have anything to do with your presidential ambition?
I have not told you that I'm running for any election. But what is important is that we want our party to be united. What is important is that you must have a party before you talk about the election. If you don't have a party, what is the essence of running an election? Plateau State is ripe for PDP to take over because APC has performed woefully. As far as Nigeria and this state is concerned, I stand to be challenged by anybody. And so, but they cannot if they are not united. And therefore, every individual has to keep his own aspiration and focus on how the party will be united to salvage the country and to salvage Plateau State from APC.
Sir, after the unification of the party, will you come out to contest?
Let us get it the right thing first. If the party is united, they will not know the next step to take. When we get to the bridge, we think of how to cross about the bridge. But like I said, PDP, our problem today is not about materials. It's not about individuals who can really move this country forward. No, I think we have the materials. But what we are contending now is everybody must come together, make sacrifices, and see how we can move. Because like I said before, Nigerians are waiting for this party because Nigeria is bleeding. Plateau State is not an exception from the bleeding that is going on in Nigeria. It is not about the Muslim, it's not about the Christian, it's not about North, it's not about the South. The killings, the insecurity, the hardship, the poverty is everywhere. Insecurity is not written whether I'm a Muslim or whether I'm a Christian. Look at what's happening in Plateau State. Look at how innocent people are being killed daily. And it also applies to other states. Christians are dying here, Muslims are dying here. So it's not about north or south. It's about insecurity in Nigeria. And the only hope Nigeria has today is for PDP. And so it requires the collective effort of everybody to know that if we don't work as a team, Nigerians will not be happy. And that is it all.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.